Yo, what is good? I got a recap for today. Didn't take any trades today, just because I didn't see anything. So I'll just go over like market kind of recap. Um, so uh, okay, so today was Euro Bank holiday as well as wait no, yeah, wait, well, yeah. So today was Euro Bank holiday. We also had unemployment claims at 6:30, so I really was looking for something after 6:30. So yeah, let's start with GU. So honestly, GU was the one that like GU was the one that was looking honestly the best for me. 4 hour was bearish, so I was honestly looking for the high. I was just looking for the highs to get taken out. So right when I got onto like the charts like at 540, so it's like to mark out everything. This was initially a bearish candle, so we had a high getting formed. Um, but in the end we closed. Actually, no, this one, yeah. So initially this candle was bearish, but then after we just closed bullish. So with that, I was targeting the Asian high. We got pretty close to it, but never really actually interacted with it within the 6 to 8 a.m. Time frame. I feel like I was kind of hoping that news would like be bullish and then take out the Asian high and then we can move down. And honestly, that is kind of what happened. It's just then my area didn't get hit and I wasn't able to capitalize on the move down, which is sad to think about it. My honest target would have my target would have been the London low that was created by this news wick. I think that was a pretty good target to have. But again, the Asian I didn't get interacted with, so I wasn't able to find an entry on that. We respected this fair value gap pretty well. That's probably a reason for moving down. But yeah, I just didn't get a proper entry point, so I didn't enter. I'm kind of sad now that I see it. I haven't moved down all the way, but more opportunities to come. Just gotta be patient with waiting for it. With GBP JPY, honestly, I didn't really have any expectations with this one. 4 hour was bullish, closing a little bit high. So on the 30 minute, we had London highs that were just formed, and then London lows down here. So honestly, like at this point, I was honestly trying to see if price would want to come down to the London low and then make a move up to be in line with the 4 hour bias, but that did not happen at all. We opened right at the London high, so wasn't really looking for anything to enter on. With Euro USD, it was just a make holiday, and you could really kind of tell that it is consolidating the entire time. Yeah, similar to G, we had to move down, but you know, just not no problem. Like it's not really a probable trade to enter off of just because it was a Euro bank thing. But tomorrow is pretty free. Tomorrow, no news, no nothing. There's just news in the lemon session, but I'll be looking at all three pairs to see if I find something. But honestly, if there's not, then it's just then there's not. But yeah, so some emotions I felt. Um, well, now that I'm looking at it, I feel kind of like annoyed that I didn't that price thinking like I swear it looked like we were about to come to the high, but then the news just pushed it down. So like if we had this move to the upside, we would have been at the Asian high and then we would have moved down. But that didn't happen. I also felt a bit annoyed that we didn't freaking form a high at the London session. If only this candle closed bearish, that would have been a pretty nice thing to enter off of. But we didn't make a low as well. I mean, make a high. I found that I was like kind of praying for. Oh shit, disconnected to the. I think it's using the microphone. But yeah, I'll be trying to think of that. But yeah, kind of sad that it didn't form a high, and kind of sad that it didn't actually interact with decent high. Yeah, I got pretty bored just sitting on the charts, so then I started watching teacher YouTube. This is actually so motivational, bro. Like I'm not even trying to glaze, bro, but like, literally, look, first comment. If this video isn't motivation, I don't know what it is. But like, yo, but I want to get that lifestyle, bro. And I think it'll happen, bro. It's literally just a matter of time, bro. All I gotta do is freaking wait for like this shit to show up and be patient with it. So honestly, I followed my plan, so that's a win for the day. Um, Even if I didn't take a trade, it's still a win because I followed my plan and I didn't trade based off emotion. If I was gonna get if I was getting emotional, I probably would have been like, oh my god, price is basically at the high. We broke structure, and I probably would enter. Like even though I would have won that trade, it's still not proper habits, right? Similar with GJ. Actually, what I don't know. If I was thinking like, yo, I'm not gonna follow my trend today, like follow the 4 hour bias, I would have just entered off with some burst gap or something, break structure, and just short targeting these lows. But it's just a part of like following the plan, using your brain and following your plan, basically. And today was honestly pretty good. Um, I did sit on like I kind of like scroll on TikTok a bit too much. Like I was like watching, yeah, I was really low key thinking like, yo, what if I make like a garbage can cleaning business? Like I saw a TikTok about it, and I was just thinking about it when I was walking this morning. I was like, yo, everyone has trash cans, and most of these people's trash cans are nasty. So who would want to clean? Who would want to like? And nobody wants to clean their trash can. So if I just go out and ask them if they want to clean it, and it would be more convenient for them, but if I do it. So then I searched up on TikTok and YouTube, yo, garbage can cleaning business, and it was like there's actually people doing that. I didn't think that was real, but like this dude has like a whole YouTube channel focused on. Bro, how does he have 598,000 subscribers, but all of his videos are like less than 100K views? It's very interesting. But honestly, I was kind of thinking of doing that over the summer and even like now. But I was thinking like, what are the things I need to buy? I need to get a pressure washer that has a foam bomb thing. What's it called? A foam bomb? I don't know, like the one that turns the foam into like turns the soap into foam. You get like some pliers to like, pick out the trash if there is. You get some like chemicals and shit, and then like yeah, but I don't know if I want to do it because like, do you think people would actually do that? Like I asked my dad, he was like, bro, I would not pay for that. So then I was thinking like, yo, what if I just collect other people's bottles and say that I'm doing it for a fundraiser, when in fact it's just for my own profit. So I was thinking about that. Maybe I'll just do that. Or maybe I'll just combine both of the ideas and I'll go door to door asking if they want to clean their trash cans and then also ask for their trash. I mean, ask for their bottles. And then it's just a two in one, killing two birds with one stone. It's like, bro, I'm just getting tired of sitting on my ass all day, bro. Like, well, I'm like, not really. Like, I feel like today I had a lot of time because I had an early dismissal today and then I did cardio after school and then I came home at like 3. So I came home and I had really nothing to do. I read for a bit and then I just watched YouTube and then watched some bread skills. I want to get like bread skills and YouTube But yeah, and then I just did push-ups and binge watch YouTube on like the trash can business thing. And yeah, one of my goals was to do 100 push-ups in a row, and I'm like 99% sure I did that. I kind of lost count, but I think I was kind of really fast. So I think I got it. It's just I have to do it again just to like, build the confidence that I actually did it. But I think I'm getting decently sized, and let's see it probably go. Yeah, honestly. So what am I thinking about trading right now? Honestly, um, I in my mind now, it's just I feel like it's just me waiting for myself to like that's all I have to do. Like I just have to prevent the unnecessary losses. That's how I'm gonna win. Like I feel like most of the losses I took on my account were unnecessary losses, thinking that it was going to move up, even though I didn't have like a proper like I didn't follow my plan properly. So all I gotta do now is just because last week I had like a pretty good week. I mean, not last week, last week. I had a pretty good week. This week I'm up like 0.5 only because I took an unnecessary loss yesterday. But honestly, maybe tomorrow I can find something. But I feel like the biggest mindset shift I've had is like it's like just understanding that the losses will happen. It's just a matter of just waiting, like being patient, bro. Like being patient is my biggest thing. Just avoiding the negative bad setups and just being patient for the good setups and have an idea of what they look like and what I need to be looking for. Like that's low-key the realization, That's like the aha moment. I just feel like now it's just a matter of time, bro. Just I gotta wait for this. Like next week is looking pretty good. The week after, bro, I just gotta not force anything and just think like just trust in myself. Like I think I've built the self-trust for me to be able to execute. Like and it comes from building self-trust in your real life. Like I haven't beat my shit in a pretty long time. Like not on some weird shit, but I haven't beat that shit in a long time, and it built me the confidence and the self trust to trust myself when I'm looking at the markets to follow my plan fully and do all that stuff. So yeah, I feel like that's some sauce. I'll put it in a future YouTube video because I feel like no one's gonna be watching these recaps, bro. I swear there's like 60 or 70 recaps now. Like my on the like I'm just gonna post all these recaps, bro. Hopefully blow up into the algorithm or something like that. But yeah, it's like authentic me, me before I became famous. Hopefully. I'm not really expect. I don't really want to be famous, but it's like I'm just getting me before the fame or something like that. It's raw, authentic Snuka before he made it out. This is the struggles of a 17-year-old trying to become a day trader. But yeah, I mean, who wouldn't want to watch that? I feel like my videos are pretty chill. Some of them are boring, but some of them like yo, there's some value. I feel like. Maybe I'll clip these and shit and then post them on YouTube or stuff like that. But, yeah, that is probably going to be all for today. I don't think there's anything to add. That I didn't take. Look, I combined the two things together. So I'm set together. But yeah, I was like, yeah. The only issue is I was getting excited that I was going to be able to take a trade today because everything looked like because Geo looked pretty nice. But it's like one pair, and that one pair could not show up anything proper. So I gotta redo the expectations in my mind. Like I can't be expecting that I'm gonna be able to take a trade today. I can't be expecting that price is gonna give me a setup. I just have to be patient and get on my knees for the market and let the market do its thing. You know how freaking beta that sounded, but still, that's this. That's just the way the market works. Why they call it that.